Air India Ahmedabad-London Gatwick flight crashed just seconds after takeoff, killing all but one of the 242 people who were on board. And as per the latest update, the second black box has also been recovered from the crash site. There are two black boxes in every flight. One is the CVR, the cockpit voice recorder, and the other is the FDR, the flight data recorder. Now, in a big update, the second black box has also been recovered. Both have been found by the investigating agencies, and the data is now being retrieved. And this is going to be very significant, Nilesh, because the two black boxes will have the answer to what happened in the few seconds that led to the crash. In fact, the cockpit voice recorder has also been found, which means anything that the pilot would have said, the conversations even before the trouble began, all of it will be recorded. When was the black box found? The second one as well, and take us to the significance of how this is going to aid the investigations.
Well, yes, absolutely. This marks a significant step in the process of investigation as the second black box from the flight has been finally recovered. Now, what we are learning that every flight has two black boxes, one at front and one at back. One records the voice of the cockpit, another records the flight data, as in the technical aspects, the uses of any wings, flaps goes through this central command unit, that is a black box. And it has all minute-to-minute data as to when pilot used particular system of the flight. And now with all of these into custody of the officials, it will further boost the investigation process. The data retrieval is currently being done by the officials because it is nearly 5 days now that the questions are still unanswered as to what went wrong inside the aircraft. We have been listening how officials have been confirming to us that the last call by the pilot was Mayday, 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 we are going down. So all of those elements are also part of investigation. Now the voice recorder that this box contains might also come up with another significant information by the cockpit or both the pilot that could have been their last statement to the official to the flight record. Meanwhile, we have been seeing that how various agencies are visiting the crash site since day one.
Okay, in fact, they have found the black box, and this marks a very, very significant step in the investigations because this is going to give details of the conversations, and of course the flight data recorder is also going to have details of what could have gone wrong. Nilesh, stay with us just a moment as investigations pick pace. Today, a high-level multidisciplinary committee is also going to be meeting for the first time. This panel, chaired by the Home Secretary, is expected to submit its reports within 3 months. The committee is expected to focus on formulating standard operating procedure for preventing such occurrences in the future. A separate investigation is also being carried out by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, which is looking into the technical aspects of the crash. After the recovery of the black box, the probe is expected to give clues about what led to the tragedy. As per sources, the aircraft's maintenance logs, the ATC recordings, the black box data, testimonies of the eyewitnesses are all being analyzed by the probe agency. In fact, the AAIB is also examining whether there were any transfers in the maintenance and engineering department prior to the crash, and if there was any negligence or maybe deliberate misconduct by any new personnel. So they're looking at all angles. They're also conducting a forensic review of the staff logs to Air India and the AI-171 aircraft, hydraulic maintenance records, the CCTV footage, all of it being checked. And one of the key questions that the investigation needs answering is whether there was a technical fault or whether there was a human error, even in the maintenance procedures. So a team of the AAIB has already visited the crash site and was accompanied by teams of Air India as well as Boeing.
There are 22 officers of Treasury officer rank. They have been put, and a team has been formation under their command, so that that there are issues related to financial tasks, there are issues related to their inheritance, their financial accounting things, insurance things. So for that matter, state government has constituted 22 different teams so that any it should be hassle free. There should not be any, seamless work related to issues and financial and accounting should be done. वो 230 टीम्स ऐसी हैं जो उनको कॉन्स्टिट्यूट इसलिए किया गया है कि जब उनका पूरा का पूरा डिटेल्स हमको मिल जाता है तो हम जो बॉडी हैंडओवर करते हैं फैमिलीज को उसके लिए गाड़ियों की व्यवस्था करना, कंसर्न विलेज जहां तक है वहां तक जाना, क्रीमेशन तक साथ में रहना और क्रीमेशन को किसी भी तरीके की उनको कोई परेशानी ना हो उसके लिए बनाई गई है.
So the authorities have managed to match DNAs of over 87 victims. 35 bodies have now been handed over to the family members. The body of the former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani will also be handed over to the family. And the last rites of the BJP leader will be performed today in Rajkot. So for the families, after the agonizing wait, after the DNA testing is done, the bodies are being handed over. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.